Your website might be the most expensive problem in your business right now, but it's not because it looks bad, because it was built for an internet that no longer exists. Think about it. When was the last time you actually rebuilt your site from scratch? We had a client come to us, SanDiegoSolar.com, one of the most recognized solar brands in San Diego. Fantastic company, strong reputation, but their website is running on old technology built back when Google ranked pages based on keywords and AI search wasn't even a concept. Today, ChatGPT recommends local businesses like yours. Google AI overviews decide who gets shown first. Perplexity is replacing search for millions of buyers every day. And if your website isn't structured for how AI reads, interprets, and recommends businesses, you don't exist in those results. San Diego Solar trusted us to rebuild their entire site on Next.js and React, the same framework used by the world's fastest and most trusted websites, fully optimized for Google, Maps, and AI first, built to convert from the moment it's going to go live. Then we install PeoplePixel. It's a revenue intelligence dashboard that identifies the visitors who come to your site, but they didn't call and then they disappear. It follows up with them automatically. We can show you in plain numbers which marketing channels are actually making you money. So if a brand like San Diego Solar trusted us to rebuild their digital foundation, we can do the exact same thing for you. We'll have a concept within 48 hours. We'll add visitor recovery, revenue intelligence done for you. Just click below and let's get started.